here onwards I'll start the recording. Okay, so once again I want to tell you the name of the webinar. It is combining TTTB trading system along with support and resistance to find explosive stocks for tomorrow. So our main idea will be to find explosive stocks, the stocks that will make an explosion, that will try to move up or down very quickly. So these will be our main motto of the webinar. I'll just show you some PowerPoint presentation first. It is a basic idea on support and resistance. Then we will discuss about TTTB in details. Okay. So first I'll show you a PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Now I'll show you my screen also. You guys will be able to see my screen now. So tell me, who of you are now being able to see my screen? Who of you are now being able to see my screen? Are anybody seeing my screen? Are anybody seeing my screen? Anyone seeing my screen right now? Hello? Are anybody seeing my screens right now? Anyone able to see my screen? Okay, fine. So everyone is telling that they are seeing my screen. So I'll continue. From here I'll continue. The slide is prerequisites to support and resistance trading. So we will discuss about the prerequisites to support and resistance trading. So what are the prerequisites to support and resistance? Support resistance trading is most often used by traders, as traders will plot charts with trend lines and key horizontal levels to mark the support and resistance level. This will only constitute half of the battle to more profits. The other half requires the trader to be able to trade those levels. So support and resistance trading, I am once again repeating, support and resistance trading is most often used by traders, as traders will plot charts with trend lines and key horizontal levels to mark the support and resistance levels. These will only constitute half of the battle to more profits. The other half requires the trader to be able to trade those levels. So first you need to identify what is a support or a resistance. So let me first introduce a basic chart, basic price. So this is a simple price. This is how a simple price looks like. I'll just open Nifty's chart. This is a simple price looks like. Now I'll show you what is support now. How you can identify support. We can draw a line now. We can now draw a line. We can now draw a line. See, from here, I'll just show you using spotlight. See, this is a point where the price rebounded. This is a point where price rebounded. This is a point where price rebounded. So those all are important supports or resistance. Is it clear? These areas are important support or resistance. Is this clear to all? And we can, by using the charting softwares, we can actually identify those supports and resistance very clearly. I'll show you how. In the charting softwares, we can manually draw the support and resistance lines like this. I can create a line. This is a support. I can create a line for a resistance also, or even a horizontal line. So this is a resistance. One more line. This is another resistance. So this area was very big resistance. This area was very big resistance in Nifty. Okay, you can find how many times Nifty has rebounded at that area. this area, you see two resistance levels are lying there. So now when Nifty has to cross the resistance, now you are seeing that here it has created a gap between the price. So it has crossed the resistance with a gap, and that day was a very big candle when it has crossed the resistance finally. So this is Nifty's chart, what I am showing you. You can see whenever a support or resistance is broken, the price moves furiously to some end. Here in this example, the price is making new highs. I'll go to my next slide. একটু ইয়ের ভলিউমটা কমিয়ে দাও তো, প্রচন্ড সমস্যা হচ্ছে ওই ইয়ের ভলিউমটা, ফোন দরকার হলে ফোনটা ধরবেই না এখন। So I'll go to the next slide. Every trader has his own support resistance trading system. Some way or other, every trader tries to plot his own support or resistance. Somehow each trader has his own way of identifying key support and resistance levels, and there are some who do not even know how to plot. So those who are new to trading, at least you got some idea from the webinar on how to identify a major support or a major resistance. The next few points will highlight what are support and resistance levels so that a trader is able to plot and use them effectively without compromising the quality of his trading performance for his support resistance trading strategy. Therefore, it serves as a foundation to support resistance trading. Actually, this PowerPoint presentation I have found in the internet. Actually, I thought it will be very helpful if I show this PowerPoint presentation. This is created by some forex trader. So forex, we are adopting many things from the forex market actually, because forex market are 24 hours open, and very pro traders are there who are trading forex. So we are getting very fantastic results whenever we are adopting the same strategies over in the Indian market. Using trend lines in support resistance trading are used to depict the direction of the price on a chart. So trend line is the direction of the price. These trend lines are often used to enter trades whenever the market touches or breaks through them. As trend lines drawn are subjective in nature, there is a possibility that the price can choose not to respect the support or resistance line a trader has plotted. I'll show you a example, so do not worry. It should only be used as a guide to determine a trader's trade intention of a buy, sell, or stand aside based on the trend. Generally accepted practice to draw a trend line is support resistance trading is by connecting 3 or more consecutive lows increasing in price for uptrend or consecutive highs decreasing in price for downtrend. Now I'll show you what exactly this means. How to draw a trend line now? We have already drawn support resistance lines, vertically support resistance lines. Now I'll draw a trend line. How to draw a trend line? This is AMI Broker. Whatever screen you are seeing, this is AMI Broker. AMI Broker is a charting software where you can feed the data, and after feeding data, it will automatically plot the charts for you. If you do not know what kind of chart is this is a candlestick chart, because the price bars looks like candles. So this is a Japanese candlestick chart, and you can use many good features of the AMI Broker software for analyzing your trades. Now see, I'll draw a trend line. I'll draw a decreasing trend line. So this is a trend line. You see, price was decreasing and was not crossing this level. Price was not crossing this trend line. The trend was down at that time. Now when ultimately price has crossed in this place, after that price is being rallying. Price is continuously rallying. I'll show you a uptrend line. Now insert trend line. See, by this method you can create your trend lines very easily using the charting software. So you can understand, whenever price has broken this uptrend line, the price was moving up, all the way from see, you can see all the way from here to here. Now it has taken support on the trend line. Now once again it has respected the trend line over here, and now in this place it has actually broken the trend line. So after that you can see some very falling bars, big falling bars after that. Okay, so this is how a trend line is drawn. How a trend line is drawn. So I'll just remove the trend line now. We will try to draw a trading channel. I'll show you how a channel looks like. Another example of trend line I am showing you. Suppose these two are two highs. So whenever you see this trend line, this is a trend line. Another trend line we can draw like this. This is a trend line. All are trend lines. So this is how every trader is different. So everyone seeing watching angle is different. So this is how you can draw the trend lines. Okay, I'll just come to the slide once again. After the slide show is complete, we will take some questions before we actually go to the topic. Our actual topic is combining TTTB with support resistance. Now drawing support, I have already shown you how to draw support. Support line is drawn across consecutive candle lows. So we are touching all the lows, and we can create a support trend line. See, lows means what do you mean by a low? This is a swing low. This is a swing low. So if I join those swing lows, it is actually becoming a trend line. This is a swing high. This is a swing high. So if I join those swing highs, it will be a upward trend line. Okay, and many times you will find that you can understand, you can get the market support resistance well in advance using the trend lines. So if I draw a trend line over here, there was very big possibility that in near future also the price will try to respect this trend line. Now I'll show you a feature. I have already got this point and this point. Suppose price is now trading at this level. Okay, I already know that my trend line support is there. My trend line support is very closer to this point. And you can see how the price has reacted on the trend line. It has touched and it has moved up. One big bull candle. So we will now continue with the slideshow. So support line is drawn across consecutive candle lows, which indicate an area where buyers and sellers are balanced. Therefore, price unable to go lower. These levels serves as a springboard to push price higher. I have already shown you an example. Suitable for buy entry. Suitable for buy entry. So near to support trend lines, we will look for a buy entry, and near to resistance trend lines, we will look for a sell entry. Next slide, drawing resistance. I have already shown you how to draw. So I'll not repeat the same thing again. Resistance line is drawn across consecutive candle highs, which indicate an area where sellers are and buyers are balanced. Therefore, price unable to go higher. This level serves as a springboard to push price lower, suitable for sell entry. Note the support and resistance levels can often swap roles. Whenever price breaks through them, this is when the price breaks through a support, it will serve as a resistance, as the market will want to test this level before proceeding to fall further. The same also goes for the resistance level becoming a support. Let's go back to Nifty's example now. So we know that this level, we know that this level is it was a resistance before. was a resistance before. Now this level is how much? This level is around 8,180. So 8,180 will now be the support. Price will try to test it once, but whatever it is very hard to break. 8180 level will be very hard to break for Nifty on the lower side. Okay, so I'll go back to the PowerPoint once again. Use round numbers. Round numbers are excellent to be used as a potential support and resistance levels as it represents the psychological factor in supply and demand. So 8,000, 8,100, 8,200, 8,300, all those are round numbers and are excellent to be used as potential support and resistance level as it represents the psychological factor in supply and demand. Traders are humans with tendencies to prefer round numbers for entry or exits, as it is easy to remember and calculate profits, right? So that's why many times you will find that the market is rebounding from say 8,195 levels several times before it actually crosses the 8,200. Use daily ranges. Daily high and low of every trading day represents key support and resistance levels for support resistance trading. So one day's high will be the next day's resistance. Okay, often the market will want to test these levels because high means that was the day's high, means at that time the price could not move further on the next day, on that day. So the next day the price will try to either test the low or the high of the previous day. The validity of these daily levels can only be taken for the last 2 to 3 days as support and resistance levels. So last 2 days or 3 days high or low can be a crucial support or resistance for today. Use long-term support and resistance for support resistance trading. I have already shown you the 8,180 level was a long-term support resistance. Look out for resistance and support levels for longer time frames, as the validity of the price respecting these values are often strong. Moving to shorter time frames, the validity will decrease, but these are the levels where a trader can hunt for bargains and make their move. Support resistance trading conclusion. The above 6 points gives an idea to the trader on how to start plotting key support and resistance levels as a foundation to trade analysis and trade entries for support resistance trading. This will eventually boost a trader's confidence and trading performance. So I have already given you a basic idea on how you can use trend lines or horizontal support resistance, how you can draw your own support resistance even with any charting software. Okay, so this is the end of the slideshow. Now we will quickly take some questions. Let's make it a 2-3 minutes question answer session. Is there any question regarding the support resistance slideshow? Any questions? Do you guys have any questions? Please ask me now. Any questions? Anyone? How to change to candlestick? Mr. Nagarajan has asked. In your AMI broker it is showing bars. Okay, you are seeing bars. Edit. Now go to view. In AMI broker, go to view and price chart style. Price chart style, in my case it is auto. Okay. You can choose to have a line chart. Line chart will show you only the chart based on the close prices. Or price chart style, you can have line with dots, or view price chart style candlesticks, or view price chart style bars. So if I choose bar, then I can see only bar chart. If I choose view price chart style candlestick, I'll be able to see candlesticks. Okay. uh, someone has asked me that even always days candles, even 1 hour. Yes, if you are having a database, intraday database, you can definitely see 1 hour candles. Okay, sir, does this support theory only works on daily chart pattern, or we can get some idea in intraday moves? Definitely, you can use it on any time frame. At least how much candles should touch for support and resistance? At least two, else you will not get an idea of the trend. What could be the resistance for present nifty move? Actually, resistance that is beyond the scope of this webinar. We are not we are not here to predict the nifty, but to know some tricks by which we can make some money. So forget about nifty right now. Nifty was just an example. Sir, whether weekly support resistance acts properly in daily trading? Absolutely works. Mr. Ashish Mukherjee. মুখার্জি দাদা ভালো আছেন তো? মাঝে মাঝে যোগাযোগ করেন কিন্তু তারপরে আর পাওয়া যায় না আপনাকে। আচ্ছা, Mr. DB Singh has asked, is there any AMI broker exploration to know whether a stock is near to a support resistance? Absolutely, we are having that. For me, the screen is not changing like yours. In that case, Mr. Nagarajan, in the AFL that you are seeing, that AMI broker formula that you are seeing, the bar chart is hard coded. So you just use any basic chart. You just use any basic chart and you can see candlestick. Is there any AMI broker exploration? Is there any AMI broker exploration? Is there any AMI broker exploration? Yeah, we are having AMI broker exploration. This kind of AMI broker exploration we are having. How to get intraday support resistance? Is it yesterday's high low or previous high low peak? Both. In that case, both. What you recommend, sir? Currently, we will discuss about daily chart. So I am not discussing intraday chart here. Fine. Okay. So we have concluded the question answer session. We will now go to our topic. How to combine the support resistance with TTTB. How to combine the support resistance with TTTB. So first I'll show you the TTTB trading system screen. So this is TTTB trading system. This is TTTB trading system. You can see TTTB shows you picks and traps. Those who are not not familiar with the TTTB trading system, I'll ask you guys to please see my previous webinars. I have already given you links of my previous webinars, so you can understand TTTB. Those who are asking about the abbreviation of TTTB, TTTB is track the trend break. T for track, T for the, T for trend, and B for break. We will track the trend break. Whenever the trend will break, we will try to track it, and we can try to enter, because whenever a downtrend breaks, it starts an uptrend. Whenever an uptrend breaks, it starts a downtrend. So quickly, the rules of TTTB. First of all, for the buy signal, for the buy signal, actually it should be the KRA line should be low. The KRA line, extreme below indicator KRA line should be low, and picks should be broken. Picks should be broken. Picks should be broken. You can see in Nifty, actually the buy signal came at 21/10/2014, last month. 21/10/2014, when the peak value was 7928. So Nifty has given a buy signal on 21/10/2014. Those who are using TTTB trading system, 101% has gone long in Nifty on 7928 level, and currently Nifty is trading at 8477. So it is already a 500 points move, almost a 500 points move for the TTTB trading system followers. 500 points in 1 month. So that is the power of the track the trend break trading system. Now I'll show you how you can increase the probability of your success of short term trading using TTTB if you combine it with support and resistance. Now let me attach a support and resistance chart. Let me attach a support and resistance chart. This is a support and resistance chart. So in my I am already having a AFL. I am already having an AFL formula that will actually identify the support and resistances beforehand. Okay, so now let's go to 21/10/2011. 21/10/2011. You can see not only the price has broken the TTTB peak, but also on 21/10/2011 the price has crossed a resistance. Price has crossed a resistance. The resistance value was there at 7931 and closed above that. So we are seeing this kind of furious moves. Okay, and I have already told you that we will use another indicator called stochastics. So now you can see the stochastics is also on the buy mode. Stochastic is a normal indicator. You will get it in AMI broker also. In the AMI broker, stochastic indicator is in the buy mode. What is the buy sell logic for stochastic? You are seeing one red line and one blue line. Stochastic is the oscillator. So it tries to oscillate between 100 and 0. And we consider 80 levels on the upside as overbought. So already market is overbought, and we consider the levels below 20 as oversold. So if price touches if stochastic oscillator touches the 20 levels, there is high chance that the market will rebound from there, as like here you can see the stochastic oscillator has touched the 20 marks, here, and price has moved up. Price has taken a upward move, and when it has touched the 80 mark, you can see here, and there is a stochastic crossover. The red line cuts the blue line. The price is falling from there. Okay, the price is falling from there. You can also use divergences in stochastic. You can see here in this point, stochastic has made a low, price has made a low. In this point, price has made further low, but stochastic has not made further low. This is called divergence. And from there you are seeing a sharp rally. So this is, you can use stochastic oscillator also along with TTTB. So if you find whenever TTTB gives you a buy signal, TTTB gives you a break peak, and if you are seeing that the stochastic is also on a buy mode, there is major resistances are broken, you can understand that this move can be very furious. Okay, now I'll show you, is there any questions regarding this till now? Any questions? Sometimes red line is below and blue line is above. Is this allowed for our decision? Yeah, actually whenever blue line is above, it is on buy mode. Whenever red line is above, it is a sell mode. Whenever blue line is above, it is buy mode, and whenever red line is above, it is a sell mode. Okay, so the main thing regarding stochastics, is that you can see there is a divergence. So there you can use stochastics for divergence. You can use stochastics here also another divergence. I will show you here. This level. You can see that the price is moving lower. Continuously price is moving lower. Here it is low, here it is low, here it is low, but stochastic is almost flat. It is a clear-cut divergence. From there you can see the furious move. Okay, so this is the way how you can actually trade divergences using stochastics. Okay, so stochastics is available in AMI broker. You can use stochastics right from next trading day. So now I'll show you how you can have a buy sell exploration on TTTB, and now you can check all the stocks one by one. Now we will have a scan from 2 dates before the buy sell exploration. Let's open the TTTB chart. We have already picked up the formula T3B. T3B means TTT, that is T3 and B. Now we will actually take the date. Date should be 21st to 21st, because my last trading day was 21st of November 2014. So from 2 dates are 21, 21, and we will explore. From here we will explore. We can explore on which scripts have broken peak or trough. Which scripts has broken peak or trough, we can explore. It will take some time, but you need not to find from all the scripts. We need not to find which scripts have actually you need not to manually check each and every script. Okay, actually there is a scan by which you can directly see which scripts has broken peak or broken trough. Your only job is only to identify those scripts, and now check their price charts. How to get the formula for support and resistance in AFL library? At what percent or point we should place SL order or buy order? When market side blue red mix, when market sideways blue red mix, what? Whenever market is sideways, stochastic is an excellent indicator to buy or sell. So you can just trade the 80-20 levels whenever the market is sideways. Now we can sort the results found according to KRA, because we know KRA is an indicator which finds the oversold or overbought stocks. KRA lower than 0 are oversold stocks, and KRA higher than 0 are overbought stocks. Okay, so in case of buy, we will try to stick to a oversold stock, because we will not buy a overbought stock. We will not buy a overbought stock afresh. We will try to stick to a oversold stock. As we have shown you the example of Nifty, we have purchased on 21/2014 when it has actually it was oversold. The KRA value was at -30. Okay, so right now it is not a place to buy Nifty. Right now it is a place to hold your positions, because after that Nifty has not broken the trough. Okay, you can hold the Nifty currently, but no fresh long positions should be taken, because currently if you try to enter the Nifty is already running now. So if you board on a running bus, ultimately there is high chance that you will make an accident. We have sorted, and now we will one by one we will see the stocks that has broken peak with low KRA. Biocon, let us go to Biocon, and there is another column, that is the volume column. Volume column is, if the volume column is blue, that means the move is also supported by volume. I'll go to Biocon, though the move is not supported by volume, but I'll try to watch the Biocon's chart. Biocon has broken the peak with a low KRA line. Now let us go to the support resistance. It has, yes, Biocon, it has broken a resistance. Biocon, there was a resistance at 451, and 449 levels. So directly you are getting a support resistance idea. Biocon has broken the support or resistance and has broken the support resistance on day before yesterday, and currently that resistance that has been broken, that will act as a support. So Biocon support now stays at 451.55. So traders can look forward to purchase till Biocon is above 450 level. 441.25 to 451 is the support level, and the resistance is 470. You can see directly resistance levels are being seen on the right side. Support or resistance, all the resistances are marked in red and all the supports are marked in green. So resistances levels are marked as 470.50. So 470.50 is currently the resistance for Biocon, and it will try to touch 470.50 and it will try to take support at 451 level, 451 to 449. So these are the two levels that to watch out for Biocon. Do not try to short the Biocon script unless and until it is coming to 470 levels. Better to purchase Biocon till it is above 450 level. Try to purchase whenever it comes towards the 450 mark and take a target of 470. So that is a 20 points range that you can play. That is how you can analyze Biocon. Very clear cut analysis, very fast analysis, and no need to know a rocket science. No need to know a rocket science. Yeah, Mr. Hamid has told me stochastics is not healthy. Stochastics is not healthy for Biocon. Stochastic is fine. Actually, I'll tell you my value of stochastic. I am using a fast kind of stochastics. I am using 533 stochastics. We can actually increase the periods, and you can also trade a 933 stochastics also. 933 is another great combination of stochastics that you can use. So 933 stochastic will give you a bit slower idea. But it will be for a longer time. So 933 stochastic is also on the buy mode for Biocon. We will now analyze another stock. Suppose ABCIL. ABCIL is a small stock. Still, for analysis sake, we will look to ABCIL. I'll first go to the TTTB chart. Now you can see how you can even all the scripts though that are coming in the scan in TTTB, though the peak has been broken, how you can actually eliminate some bad trades. See, ABCIL, the peak has been broken. By rule of TTTB, it is a buy, right? But from the candle, you can see, though the peak has been broken, the candle has closed to almost day's end. So it is not at all a healthy sign, and there is no volume attached. No volume attached. And on the support resistance also, if I go to the support resistance mark also, the stochastic is not so healthy. Stochastic is still at the oversold mark. Stochastic coming out of oversold will be better. And it is trying to take support on 242 level currently. ABCIL is trying to take support on 242 mark. Okay, so better to avoid ABCIL for buying. And now and now that minus, and now you can see now another script is there, Dredging Corporation, Dredge Corp. Dredge Corp. Let us open the chart of Dredge Corp. Open the chart of Dredge Corp. Dredging Corporation. You can see another script that has been broken the peak or trough. It has broken the peak. Dredging Corporation, some volume is also attached. Dredging Corporation, some volume is also attached. We can see, but Dredging Corporation, for if you are trying to purchase Dredging Corporation on for a positional thing, it is fine. But if you are trying to trade Dredging Corporation for intraday, next day, do not try to buy, because dredging has already touched a resistance. Dredging has already touched a resistance at 448, and you can see it has exactly corrected from the resistance mark and closed in the middle. The bar has closed on almost on the middle of the high and the low. So unless and until dredging corporations crosses 448 now, if you are a very short term trader, do not enter the dredging corporation. So better you can have an eye on Biocon for Monday. If you get a weakness on Biocon, if Biocon comes closer to 450, try to purchase Biocon. That is as per the TTTB. Now we will see which scripts are overbought, which scripts are overbought and has broken traps. Suppose one script, Hindustan Composite, though it is not a this is not a future and option script, but still for just for studies purpose, I will show you the chart. Hindustan Composite, this is a Hindustan Composite chart. We will now see in the support resistance level. Yes, the stochastic is oversold. Stochastic is on the sell mode. It has broken important support, and now the support has become resistance. See here, I'll show you. In here it has broken the support. This was support. 810 was support, and now it has broken support. So now 810 has broken, has become a resistance. So till it is below the resistance mark, any up moves on intraday, trader can try to short the script for intraday purpose only, because this is not a future and option script. So anything, any short should be only for intraday. Another is Ingar Rand. Ingar Rand, we will see once again the chart of Ingar Rand. Ingar Rand, once again you see, even for shorting it is not good candidate, because see, though Ingar Rand has broken trough, a sell signal will come on TTTB only when a script breaks the trough. Okay, though it has broken the trough, but still it is very close to an important support. So if you short also, you need to cover before it comes to the support. So 848.60 is the support mark. So if you short also on intraday, you try to cover it before 848 or 850 mark. Now many of you guys will remember my last sell call on DLF. I have sent everyone through this call on mail. So everyone following my mail will know that we have given to sell DLF. I told to brutally sell DLF. I'll show you how we got the idea of selling DLF. Okay, so DLF, we will come to DLF now. I'm sorry, it was not DLF. What was the call? What was the call exactly? DLF or Bharti Airtel? Which one? Just let me check once. Just give me a moment. I'll just try to remember the script. Can anyone write it down? Anyone remembering? Anyone remembering? Anyone remembering what was the script? Can anyone remember what was the script that we have given last? No, Bharti Airtel, I feel it was few days back. Bharti was few days back. Or maybe Bharti itself. 1 second. 657 mark. It has been given to short. 1 second. Yeah, buyer corp, Cipla. Fine. Mr. Amit Srivastava, thanks a lot. It was Cipla. Thanks a lot. Cipla. I'll show you the chart of Cipla now. Yeah. So this is the chart. Now see, on this day, Cipla has broken the peak, broken the trough. Cipla has broken the trough. Cipla has broken the trough on this day. So trough value was at 657. So far I remember 647. So I gave the call on next day around 640 mark. So all the people who are using TTTB trading system, they can actually পরে করতে বলো তো, বলো স্যার মিটিং এ আছে, আধ ঘন্টা পরে করতে বলো। So any people who are using TTTB trading system, 647, they can short this thing on 647 mark or anything close to 647. Okay, now and also you can see the KRA line, there is a clear cut divergence on the KRA. If I insert a trend line on the KRA, if I insert a trend line, I'll see a divergence. See, from here I'll just show you spotlight. From here it was a swing high, and this is another swing high. Now this swing high, the later swing high is higher than the previous swing high. So but indicator is not making new highs. Indicator is now making lower highs. So this is clear cut divergence, and so I gave the call. And you can see in the next few days time, I told everyone to brutally short this Cipla script, and from 647 mark, it has come below 600 level. So if you are what is the lot size of Cipla? I remember it is maybe 500. So it is a big profit on for the shorters. Yeah, for 500 it is a big profit for the shorters. So anyone following my calls on Cipla, they can make a very big profit just by selling the future or purchasing a put option. Anything you can do with the scripts. Okay, so this is, and now I'll go to Cipla's support and resistance. See, Cipla has broken multiple supports on this day. Multiple supports. First support has been broken on this day on 11/11/2014, and second day multiple supports has been broken. So there is no wonder that Cipla actually has moved lower. Now that support that has been broken, now it is acting as a resistance. You can see Cipla has tried to test those resistance and closed almost near to day's low. And stochastic suggests now, at that time when I gave the call, stochastics was on sell mode. Currently stochastics has reached the oversold region, and now it is on buy mode. So now if it crosses the resistance and closes above that, it will be once again a buy candidate using the support resistance technique, and the target will be around to 673, because its next resistance is 673. Fine. So 639, 640 mark is the resistance now. If it crosses and closes above, if the stochastic remains on buy mode, you guys can try a short term buy. Okay, so these are the charts. I'll show you buyer corp, because someone has asked me to show buyer corp. My call was a buy in buyer corp. How we have given a buy call on buyer corp? See, this was the zone when buyer corp has broken the peak. This was the zone on 31/10/2014. It has broken the T3B peak 2334.95, 2335 mark was the buy level. After that, this was a buy, and its stop loss was at that time at 2251. It was a positional buy. If you go to stochastics, stochastics was on buy mode. It has crossed multiple resistances. Okay, so till it stays above the resistances, a very high chance that it will try to trend up, and it has happened. The script is currently trading at 3054 mark, with a high printed at, last high printed was at 3149. So 2335 to 3170. I'll just calculate the profit, percentage of profit, 3170, sorry, 3149 minus, minus 2335 divided by 2335. So already 34% profits has been earned. Okay, so this is the power of the charts. This is the power of the charts. This is the power of TTTB trading system. Now it may cross the resistance. Yeah, fine. Anyway, this is almost, our webinar is almost over. We will take some questions answers right now. Can I have some questions answers? Yeah, please go ahead. Do we get buy and sell signals? For buy and sell signals, we have another AFL. We have Trend Blaster. This is Trend Blaster. I'll show you Trend Blaster. For buy and sell, there is Trend Blaster. So TTTB is not a system for buying and selling. To show buy and sell, I'll quickly show you Trend Blaster. For mechanical traders, there are Trend Blaster. Trend Blaster has also given on buyer corp a buy signal at 17 at 2325, almost at the same level, what is the accuracy? See boss, there is, these kind of questions are very foolish. No kind of accuracy you need to understand. Accuracy, you need to test a system. Do not go for the word accuracy. It never happens. This is market, and every time the accuracy will change. If I tell you even the accuracy is 99%, that is a lie, because that 99% of things will not happen, because you can see there are many sites offering you buy sell crap AFLs. Crap buy sell AFLs, just they are not using any kind of training, they are not giving any kind of means enlightenment to the traders. They are simply selling some trading systems. They are writing on their site that 99.99% accuracy and blah blah blah. It is all foolish. Do not go for the word accuracy. Try to follow a system. Accuracy will automatically follow you. Profit will automatically follow you if you follow a system very carefully. Do not believe on others. Just do your own analysis. There are many things that you can get in AMI broker. Just do your own analysis. Do not believe on others. Okay. So do not believe on others. That 99.99% things do not exist on the market. If that is 99.99%, why does not that guy is trading that? Why he is selling that? If he is 99.99% accurate, is it not that actually? So we are following the TTTB trading system. We ourselves are trading on options market. We are trading positional stocks, and we have many traders. Those are in our family. We call it a stock maniacs family. They are there in our family since 2009. So our main motto is to enlightenment a trader, to teach a trader, because every time we try to give some ideas on to a trader, means how you can increase your profitability, how you can increase your losses. Try to increase your losses, your profitability will automatically go up. Sell signal is missing here. Actually, it has not yet given a sell signal. You can get a sell signal, but the script is on the upside. So it is actually on the uptrend. So it will not give you sell signal. So why will you sell a script that is on uptrend? You will try to buy the script. Yeah, below is the KRA line by what is the above indicators of TTTB and what signals they give. Okay, the above fast indicator is 3, 6 and 9 months high low. Whenever a script will print a new 3 months high or a 6 months high or a 9 months high, it will be printed on the first indicator. Next one is 1, 2 or 3 years high low. Whenever it will give a new 1 year high or a new 2 year high or new 3 year high, it will give a it will be printed on a second pane. And third one is the volume. If it crosses some threshold limit of volume, it will be printed on the third row. The first two are not so important, but the third one, the volume, is very important. Okay. Mr. Cherry, there is no two buys. Actually, between the two buys, suppose here was one buy, this is the exit signal. This is the exit from the buy. This star is exit. And once again, there is a buy signal. Still, the exit has not been printed. So regarding Trend Blaster and TTTB, those are twin systems. Currently, Trend Blaster and TTTB is available twin for those who are purchasing our monthly, quarterly or half yearly packs or yearly packs. Whatever. We currently do not have any kind of lifetime packs. So I'll just give you an idea how you can test the TTTB or Trend Blaster trading system. I'll just give you an idea how you guys can become a member of the Stock Maniacs family. After that, we will take some more questions. This is the link. You can get an idea on TTTB or Trend Blaster, and from where you can get Trend Blaster. 1 second, I'll give you the link. Trend Blaster details are available on our site, so you guys can check on our site. Acha, any other questions, please? Check Pidilite Industries. Acha, I'll check once Pidilite. Just 2 more minutes. I'll just check Pidilite. Pidilite Industries. Pidilite 21/11/2014. Yeah, Pidilite has crossed the peak, but the Camarilla is on the higher side, I feel. Camarilla is up, so I'll not initiate a fresh buy. But if you have Pidilite, you can definitely hold. I'll check stochastics. Stochastics is on an indecisive mode, so I'll not suggest you for a fresh long position. Which charts shall I use or best, Trend Blaster or TTTB? You will get both. Trend Blaster basically we use for intraday trading, and TTTB we use for positional. Using these tricks, even you can use TTTB for intraday also. I'll suggest you please see my last video, the 2% method. So we have tried to get at least 2% returns a day using TTTB also. And that is Aurobindo Pharma. Achha, okay, Oro Pharma. I'll just check. Oro Pharma is also, I'm not seeing any kind of new signals, because Aurobindo Pharma, it has given a buy signal on 3/11/2014 at 1002. Currently it is trading at 1112. Crude oil, I'm sorry, currently I'm not having the commodities data updated, so I'll not show you crude oil currently, but in my next webinar I'll try to cover the commodity also. SBIN, 1 second, it has split. You can see SBIN has splitted, so you guys can automatically adjust the split. You can see, yeah, SBIN actually it is also on hold. It is not a fresh long. SBIN, the buy has triggered on 247.80 on 9th of October. Till then it is a hold. Currently it is trading at 305. So 20% returns in a month. HCL Tech, fine. HCL Tech. HCL Tech is trying to cross the peak. It has actually crossed the peak few days back. The peak value was at 1628. It has once again crossed the peak. Now I'll show see in the support resistance. See, there are multiple resistances overhead. So you can purchase HCL Tech, but there are some risks associated. So unless and until it clear cut crosses 1683, there will be not be a very furious move on HCL Tech. So you look to 1665 and 1683. Those are the resistances. Okay. For any other queries, I'll give you my phone number 9697432186. Okay. And Trend Blaster with AMI broker version, which AMI broker? Minimum 5.30. If you do not have, we will provide you one. And those who will purchase yearly version of Trend Blaster with full price, no discount code or anything will apply here. Those who will purchase the yearly version with full price, Trend Blaster plus TTTB, at 15,750, the price is 15,750 rupees, 15,750. We will give you a special gift. That will be 1 year's NAC or MCX data, either NAC or MCX, or 6 months combo data. 6 months combo. Okay, this offer is valid for next 3 days. So Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, this offer is valid. Just ask for webinar. Just ask for webinar, and you guys can get a data absolutely free. And the data will be from JetLife data. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me. For only TTTB Trading System, there is nothing. Actually, these are twin systems. Trend Blaster and TTTB are twin systems. If you purchase Trend Blaster, you will get TTTB free for now. For now, you will get TTTB free for the time period that you are subscribing to Trend Blaster. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me. I'll just ask you a very warm thank you, and very good weekend to you. I wish a very good weekend to you. For other pricing and all, Mr. Muhammad, please call my number or check the Trend Blaster page on the site. Trend Blaster's price for monthly is 3150. You guys can call me at 9674321856 for more info. My name is Indrajit Mukherjee. You can search on YouTube about me. We have multiple videos. Those videos are very can be helpful to you for understanding the market. Thanks a lot. I'll once again thank you, and let's join the next webinar. I'll tell you when the next webinar will happen. So for that time, it's a goodbye. Thanks.